I think this is one of the best so far. I have been buying the last few ones that she made, and this is very very nice. And I like the shape of her heart, and it's very cool. And so it's very elegant to make a nice Christmas gift. Very happy if I received these at Christmas. I will be jumping up and down because they are very very cool, very very nice. And this is one of those. And so the calendar I will show you today is, if you don't want to see the inside, I don't suggest you to go ahead with the video because I will spoil the contents. I will open this year she made the drawers without the paper inside, which is very nice, even to save paper, is eco-friendly, because last year she put too much paper, too much wrapping. And this year she made something different, and it's more eco-friendly, I guess. So and easier to open it, because last years we had to open everything. It was a little annoying. And even to show the contents, it was a little, as you can see, it's a heart shape. This is the top. She usually doesn't put anything on the top because you can use it to put jewels, to put earrings, everything that you like, just like nail files, everything that you want to put your favorite products here. So so it's a very nice part, just like a lid that you can open, and you can use it to put, because once you use the products, this is gonna be a huge nice container, to put your display, to put your favorite products. Not only Charlotte Tilbury, of course, you can put whatever you like. So we will start. She doesn't put the numbers as many other brands do, like the advent calendars that start from day 1 to day 24, but she doesn't put the number, so she does it like this every year. But this year this is very nice because it's art shape, and I love it. I just love it. It's very elegant. You see the even the the buttons here, or the handles here, are just art shaped, star shaped, because she is fond of Hollywood, and she has been a makeup artist in Hollywood for so many years. So she makes star stuff, remembering of Hollywood. So I will start opening. I will spoil the contents, so be ready. So this is the mini lip pencil, easy. And this is let me see that. Yes, it's Pillow Talk, as I figured that out already. So it's a kind of pink, nude pink, which is her best seller. She made everything Pillow Talk. She made lipsticks, lip pencils, mascara, everything in this color. But it's a very is a top seller for her, and it's a very great color. I will show you this. This is also Pillow Talk, and this is a lipstick. Let me open it for you so you can see the color. The color is this one. It's a kind of a nude pink mauve, which is very very nice, everything. But they're very nice products. So let's keep on opening. This is probably the magic cream. It's called magic cream, and is a top seller. It's very smooth. It's full of peptides. It's full of vitamin E, and it's very moisturizing. This is of course a travel size, but this is good because this cream costs a lot. The day version costs around $65, and the night version costs much more, 50 milliliters, so 1.7 ounces costs $150, if I'm not wrong. So this is a travel size, which is very handy, very nice. You can bring it with your flight and in your trips, so it's very cool to inside very easily. And so this must be another Pillow Talk. So all the products fit inside very easily, and so this must be another Pillow Talk, I suppose. And this is the light wand, which is a blush, glowing blush. Probably it's Pillow Talk. No, it's Pink as, and yeah, it's a kind of, as you can see, it's a kind of a pink champagne color. It's a very nice, very bright, very glow. I have it in the standard version. Is very good. This is probably the mascara, and I don't know if this is the black version of the Pillow Talk version. This is the black one. Push up lashes. Pillow Talk is called Pillow Talk. She made it in Pillow Talk, which is a kind of a pink mauve, and this is the version of in black, as you can see, as a travel size. So, and which is a very very nice too. Put it back, and I will open this now. Oh, this is the toner. And the toner is another best seller because it contains a lot of vitamin C, like vitamin E, and niacinamide. It's very difficult to pronounce it. So peptides is a very full of nice important ingredients to moisturize and to make your skin, very very smooth and hydrated. And let's go to the other side. right now, which is this one. And this is a lipstick, probably the matte lipstick. Let me see. It's a mini size. It's a mini size, and it must be Pillow Talk too. Let me see. No, this is yeah, it's a Vixen. So let me see the color. This is Hollywood Vixen. This is one of the last ones that she made. Is a kind of a red. You see, it's very elegant. She made it. This is a kind of a new shades, and this is the travel version of this kind of lipstick. It's a very nice one. I don't like red so much because I don't find myself comfortable with reds, but it's a very nice red anyway. So I like pinks and mauves and purples mainly. So this must be. Let me see what it is. This must be the eyeliner. Yes, Pillow Talk is a you know, I will show you. It's a mini size too. If I can open it with one hand, it's not easy. So it's a kind of a burgundy. You know, it's very nice. It recalls the color Pillow Talk, of course. Just like, and we will open this. Oh, this is probably the setting spray, and yes, it's a scented spray, and it's of course travel edition. And also this contains a lot of vitamins and vitamin E, and it's made in Germany. And I didn't use it yet, but I heard a lot of great reviews of girls who say that it's a very great product, and it's really worth it. It costs like the full size, I think, is around $40. So this is a good way to try the travel size. So you see if you like it, if it makes the results that you want, and you can buy it. Okay, so we'll open this now. This must be another shade of the lipstick. We saw the Vixen, Hollywood Vixen, which was a red. And here it goes. This is the Pillow Talk. I was missing a Pillow Talk shade, which is... This is the most best seller of her brand. She sells one every, I think, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or something like that. She said so. As you can see, it's a nude, it's a pink nude, which is very, very great. And it performs very well on every kind of lips, you know, every tan. And if you have to make it's very elegant. If you have to make a party, if you have to be on a date, if you have to prepare for your wedding looks. So it's a very, you know, passepartout lipstick. And this is the last product, if I'm not wrong. And this is Magic Lip Oil. This is a very great product. This is full size. And it's a lip conditioner. You can use it during the day, or during the night you can use it as a mask, as she says here. And it's very, very good. It's very, very good. It's made in England, and it contains a lot of vitamin E, a lot of peptides too, if I'm not wrong, sunflower oil. So it's very, very hydrating, very nice. So as you can see, it's full of nice products. And if you want to buy it, go to my link in bio. Right. So as you can see, it's a very nice product. And I love it. I love it. And when I will use the products, or maybe probably I will give something for free to my friends, to my family members, because I don't use all of them, of course. I have the full sizes too. So, for example, Pillow Talk, I have the full size, and I have pinks. She makes excellent product. I love her. She's incredibly talented, and all actresses and fashion models wear her products because they're really, really good. And also elegant, because our girls like the performance, of course, but we like also, you know, the aesthetics, because when you have a, you know, lipstick in your purse, you get it out because you want to put your lipsticks in your lips, so you want to show the perfect you know, packaging. And she's on top for that.